breaking news of what's happening in Roblox right now, guys, because it's really chaotic. Anyways, this is not just your ordinary Minecraft video where you have to game in PvP. Nah, we retire from that. Well, maybe we're gonna do some of it right now soon. And welcome to doms.com news, minecraft.com news, whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, anyways, welcome, because today we're gonna be exploring the situation about what is happening on Roblox. Many fans suggest that Roblox, we should fire our own CEO. Like, according to many research, like, bro, we've been researching. No, never mind. Anyways, Roblox CEO is now getting banned, and I don't know when that's gonna be official, but I don't know. But seriously, it's like World War III out there, so we need to help to sue Roblox in order to get in order to become safe once again and once more, and yeah, and subscribe. And right now we are entering the biggest literally war. I don't know, like this is like the Avengers Endgame, like, bro, like Shop is the Captain America, like, bro, and then Thanos is literally David Bukowski. And I don't know what his full name is, but seriously, it's David. Anyways, it's like World War III out there, but in the internet, but not the World War kind though. But seriously, Law by Mike and Shop's lawyer. Now, bro, that's on the next level. It's literally the government. Like, how can you not chill about that? Literal lawyers. Like, bro, if the police get involved about this and the president, now this is just a whole new level. Like, bro, Roblox make me get kicking out. Like, bro, I don't know, but for now, all information we have is Roblox. Well, the conflict between Schlep and Roblox is now getting worse, guys. So we need your help to support us to sue Roblox and make it right once again. Alright, that's all for today, boys, and I'll be uploading soon videos more. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. See ya!